Hello and welcome to all. Now I am starting a new series on C programming. In this series, we shall see all the basics to the advanced level C programming. Here we will start from basic things like data type, printf, scanf statements. Then we'll go to the different loops like if loops, then while, do while loops, for loops, etc. And all the details of C programmings will be discussed here. Here rather we will have a practical approach, but all the theoretical aspects of the C programming will also be discussed while doing this C programming. So I welcome you all for this new series on C programming. We will start with our first program. So here we have our first program, that is hello world program. So for this I have taken this file here, yt1.c. you have to give the extension as .c here, because for C programming we need .c files whenever we save it. So whenever you choose here, from here you choose a new file, for example, then you have to give the name of that file, any name. Say I will give, say, temp1.c. so like this you have to give some name as .c files, then only it will run the C program here in VSCode. So I will take this first file, that is the yt.c here, yt1.c. so we have to type here first the first line, we have to include the libraries here. So I will include #include stdio.h. Then I will write int main. So from our program begins from here. Then we have to write this curly braces. Then we have to print some message. So I will write down here printf hello world. And at the end of this, we have to give a semicolon and then return 0. So I will just save this by pressing Ctrl S, or you can save it from this file also. You can go into the file menu and you say save, Ctrl S. Now we have to run this program. So I will just click this button, or we can press Ctrl Alt N, then also we can run this. So by pressing this, you can see that we will get the output here, and the output here is hello world. You can see this hello world is the output over here, you can see. So in this way we can write down our first program. Now if some of you don't have this VS Code with you, you can install it, and even if you don't worry about that. You can use some very good online compilers. Say I will just copy this program from here, say Ctrl C, and then I will go to Google here. So you just type here in the Google, there is one online compiler called as Onlinegdb for C language, and other languages are also there, but we will use it for C language. So it is here. I will say Ctrl A here, and I will delete everything over here, and I will paste this our program here in this Onlinegdb compiler. And after this, you just have to press this run button here. See here, we will get the output here as hello world. So the same thing which we have done in the Visual Studio Code, those basic programs can be run on this Onlinegdb compiler also. There is one more compiler that is called as the Programiz C compiler. I will write down here. So you can see here, this is the first one. So I will just copy and paste our code here. Say I will just Ctrl A, I will delete this one, and I will paste our code here in this programiz.com, and then I will run this here. Yeah, so you can see here we will get the hello world output over here also. Now in both these compilers, what you can do is you can create your account here. say you can just log into your account, and then in this Onlinegdb we have the facility to save all our files. And similarly in this Programiz also you can create your account and you can save your files. So whichever you like you can use for this. If you don't have the VS Code or T.Y.B.Sc or Dev.C++ or code blocks, any one of them, if you don't have them, you can just do this programming, all this programming in the browser itself. And also if you have a mobile phone, I will show it here, that using mobile phone also you can do all this programming. See here, this is the screen of mobile phone. You just type here in the Google search, I will type it here, Onlinegdb, say C compiler. Here I will enter here C compiler, and you can see that here we have this program. So you can just paste our program over here and you can run it, or even you can type here and you can run these programs here in the mobile compiler. Similarly we have the Programiz. So I will just write Programiz C compiler and I will click this first one here on the mobile phone. Yeah, so now you can see that this is the Programiz compiler which you can use on your mobile phone browser itself. So whichever compiler you like you can use it. In our next video we will add some more programs. To understand all these programs very well, you can type them along with me. Also, I will give these programs in the link below in the description, or I will provide a link for these programs also. If you have any difficulties, you can comment me, and you do like, subscribe and share these videos if they are useful for you. Thank you very much.